welcome back to Chasing Trophies. Hope everyone is doing well. Faiz Bhai is joining me. It's nice to see him smiling after a disappointing game for the Sunrisers. The first game of the IPL belongs to the Royal Challengers Bangalore. Incredible start for them. Jacob Duffy set the tone. Then Virat Kohli, Padikkal, and Patidar finished it off for them with the bat. For Sunrisers, a lot of learning to do. The positives was Ishan Kishan with the bat. He was incredible the way he batted. बहुत जबरदस्त batting करा. He set the tone for the team. He showed them how to bat. Aniket Verma was sublime as well. 40 odd, like in 16 deliveries. Great batting from him. Obviously, there is a lot of negatives that we will get into. But yeah, Faiz, your initial reaction of the game.
Yeah, I mean, we lack of planning, Musab. I think SRH didn't look like they were up for the game, honestly. Matchups आप देखो या bowling rotations देखो या batsmen in general, like they look a little bit like out of form, नहीं बोलेंगे out of touch in general, like they just look like, like आप आके खेलने को खेल लेते, like how we used to play back on Fridays, like वैसा वाला feeling आ रही थी. Ishan Kishan, I think the guy who took a responsibility, a very good responsibility with the bat, with the gloves, a little disappointing, but if I'm looking at the batting, a lot of people think Klaasen was out of touch. Klaasen looked fine, man. And that's what we've got to expect from Abhishek and Travis Head. I mean, that's what, I was a little bit more upset with Abhishek. And I know the ball was moving and all, but you could have done better. Phir bhi, I think we salvaged very well in the middle overs. We got about 100 plus runs in that, 6 to 16th wale over mark mein. But NKR, again, underwhelming so far. Again, I know it's just the first game, but it just looked like clearly they were level apart. Planning, and they were level apart in the fielding. Phil Salt fielding high, like those two catches. And there's there'll be a debate whether it's been done. It's done. Like हो गया, अभी out तो दे दिया, कुछ कर नहीं सकते अपन उसके बारे में. But यही है कि यार Sunrisers have to pull up their socks, and RCB took it away. Like they won it. They defended like बोलते ना defending champions वाली mentality से खेले. They didn't get overwhelmed by the occasion, and I mean fair play to them. Like I have to give it. Bowling lackluster, fielding Sunrisers ke lackluster. We can't drop Virat Kohli. There was no stage where while bowling हम momentum build करने की कोशिश करें. As a team हम intensity बताए. Like पुकार रहे in the face, grilling them. कुछ तो डर पैदा करने. Like कुछ नहीं था. It's like हम बहुत जल्दी give up मान दिए थे.
Yeah. Do you think we lost it with the bat initially or with the ball? Because people will say that, this was 250 pitch. Some people will say you have 200 on the board, you should have fought better. It probably was a mix of both. I think you needed more runs, but also you should have bowled better.
Mix of both बोलूँगा, लेकिन हम ऐसे भी मैचेस देखे मतलब भाई 200 चिन्नस्वामी में डिफेंड हुए भी हैं. Like I'm not saying हमारी bowling है और पर यार basic boundaries आप wicket keeping से दे रहे हो, आप placements, आपकी bowling rotations, you don't know what you're bowling. Who to bowl where you're bowling, like I get an NKR in the power play, we've seen that but Ishan Malinga, why are you bowling like there's like 7-8 over gap between his first and second over? Why? So that shows like you don't know the team, you don't know the planning, you don't know what to do, and completely like I think with the ball जब देवदत्त पडिक्कल ने पहला छक्का मारा वहीं हमारी स्पाइन टूट गई. Like and देवदत्त पडिक्कल अगर हमारा कुछ बोला निकोलस पुरन के वाइफ जरा there is something wrong with us. Like we are not even trying to show aggression भाई. Like कुछ तरीके का हमारे पेशानी में पसीना आ गया, and I don't expect that. Like and that is where I needed Ishan Kishan to be more vocal. I still credit Klaasen, like he was still giving, but he went and dropped that catch. This is what, like you mentioned in the stream, that senior figures were leading the way in RCB, and Sunrisers it wasn't that.
Yeah, and you mentioned Padikkal. I think he batted out of his skin. He was coming in with very good form, but he's taken that and doubled it because वहाँ पे Ranchi Trophy में he was doing good in the red ball. He was doing decent in the white ball as well. But like he showed what kind of rhythm he's in, and that's a huge plus for RCB because उसका strike rate भी बहुत की था. अगर आप देखें Padikkal का यही criticism होता कि he doesn't bat with that kind of strike rate. He's shown that as well. Virat Kohli looks slow, but he batted with almost 200 strike rate. Man, he looked unbelievable as well. Also. You mentioned this on the live as well. I just want to repeat it, with your permission. Phil Salt, his catching was unbelievable today, and that was also a difference in the game. I still feel, I don't know what you think, that was a six, the Klaasen one. But apart from that, the other catch though is going to be in the catch of the tournament, the top 3 catches in the tournament.
I think one of the best catches I've seen in my life, man. Like it gave me a lot of crazy vibe. Like by the audacity, the sheer in. Just to have a thought to jump like that, and the deep side of the thing, वैसा वाला situation पे, I think it's one of the best. And this is the game-changing moments. देखो Klaasen का हम बैठ के बोल सकते हैं बाउंड्री रोक को लगा, अब वो shadow था, थोड़े लोग बोलेंगे कि वो shadow थी, वो परछाई थी जो आपको दिख रही है, थोड़े लोग बोलेंगे कब अब एम्पायर दे दिया, हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते, like ठीक है. And then for Klaasen again, I think he didn't finish that shot well. He should have finished off, or the follow through on the shot should have been better, we expect. And that is where अगर हम अब यही बात है यार, हम कॉमन कम्युनिटी सोचते हैं यार अगर Klaasen वो मैं ओवर में सूयस को खेल लेता, या हम अब ये सोचते कि विराट ये नहीं कर सकते अब. We can't have one of those seasons where we're going to back and in the review I will always say this, like we'll always have to discuss it, but we have to finish off things. We got to take accountability and responsibility, and this is where Klaasen and Ishan Kishan, I still won't say anything. That was something else. But in the keeping department, you can't give like 12 runs off from the keeping department. Like you can't go under your legs. We're an international team, right? Like you're an international player. And Nitish Kumar Reddy on the boundary, like Max Payne नहीं मारा, Dave Whitman के over में आप catch नहीं पकड़ पा रहे. So these are mini, like क्या बोलते हैं, mini school वाले, Mickey Mouse school वाले mistakes that we can't make. But again, like you said, Salt took the catch. They had the better day, and we have a lot of learning. I'm just upset because it looks like our team doesn't know our team. You know what I mean? It feels like my team doesn't know my own team within themselves.
Yeah, I think like that you have to question the auction, the owners, the management, the 11 that they played, a lot of things. I know maybe it wouldn't have made a difference, but like if you bought Livingston for 13 crores, then maybe you start him and then you kick him out of the team, which would probably make idea sense. I have no problem benching a 13 crore guy, so I don't have a problem with that specific decision. But it just shows that they're also confused. अगर आप 13 crore उसको दे रहे हैं और आप उसको नहीं खिला रहे, that means you didn't really want him. You panicked in the auction, and that just goes to the deep-rooted issue, which was आप बराबर प्लान नहीं करे, and जहाँ पे आपका वीकनेस था आप उस पे आप उसको स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए देखे नहीं, जो आपकी bowling है. Virat Kohli also, man, getting a 50, unbelievable. He's shown every season, man, he's not giving up. There's some incredible shots that he hit. And yeah, it just keeps coming the runs. He might go for that orange cap again, and he's already started with a 50. If you're playing fantasy and you have him in your team, then it's just usual business. If you don't have him, then get him for the next game because he looks like he's going to score runs. And Virat Kohli, man, in the last 3 years, Faiz, I think he's become a better batsman in T20 cricket and in the IPL in particular.
Again, he hit one of the shots of the tournament. Abhi se bol denge by that straight 6 down the ground, bhai.
Yeah.
Incredible, impeccable timing. And Virat Kohli se bhai panga to koi leta nahi. Like we, even as an opposition, like yeah, we'll banter him for those sake, but we know the guy's quality. A lot of people bolte na London mein reh raha hai, abhi nahi hai. Bhai wo usse kuch nahi banta. Talent unke room mein hai, aap bol sakte ho, in his soul he's gifted with cricket, and let him be out of the game for like 9 months also. Yes, there's probably, but this guy is practicing. The guy is not stupid. He knows how hard it took him to come till this level. And what sacrifices he had. He's not going to give it up over like just over London, right? Like London maybe facility hai aapko. And he's showing you that like let me be in my country, out of my country, I've got what it takes, and he's giving a run for the money to people who are like 10-20 years younger than him, and that just goes to show you that the dedication and fitness level that this guy possesses, and he's one of the, if not the greatest, bro. Like you have to give it to him like time and again. Yeah, we dropped him. I was pissed. But I understand, like, and that's where it's pissing me off because you can't drop someone like him. I understand Klaasen started slow to that ball. He didn't see the ball. He didn't sight the ball. That again shows you that, your consciousness or your attention in the field wasn't there.
Yeah. And to wrap it up, your player of the match?
Player of the match, I think David Padikkal changed the game for RCB, but I would like to give it to Phil Salt, honestly. I'm going it the other way because those 2 catches, Mustafa Bhai, like, I know I took towards myself as well in that process, but I think Phil Salt, those catches, bhai, like if those 2 catches weren't take as a Sunrisers fan, I would still have believed that we'll probably go 220. I'm maybe making a blunder by saying this, but I feel like that.
Yeah, I think well done to the Royal Challengers Bangalore. I think it was an incredible performance from them. There's a first game also since being champions, defending champions. This is the opener start they wanted. It's a long season to go ahead, so let's see. Hopefully for Sunrisers fans things change, if that's what we can hope. But I think tomorrow we've got a game as well, Mumbai Indians versus KKR, so do join us for that. We have a lot of content coming up, so hit the like button, subscribe button, stay tuned to Chasing Trophies. Thank you, Faiz, for your input, and better luck next time, hopefully against, I think KKR is the next game for Sunrisers, so better luck in that, and enjoy the rest of the games, and see you guys soon. Take care, everybody.